Hey everyone! Today we're diving into some major news coming out of Germany, where Volkswagen, one of the world's biggest car manufacturers, is making some tough decisions as the German economy struggles. Job cuts and production reduction. After 70 hours of intense negotiations, Volkswagen has reached an agreement with its labor council and unions to cut 35,000 jobs in Germany and reduce production capacity. This will result in a significant cut. Over 700,000 fewer vehicles will be produced at German factories. However, the remaining employees will have job security guaranteed until 2030. IG Metall, Germany's largest union, has emphasized that their red lines were respected during the talks. Here's what's been confirmed. No factory closures. No large-scale layoffs. No drastic long-term cuts to collective bargaining agreements. The union believes this is a solid compromise, given the circumstances. Unfortunately for Volkswagen workers, there will be no pay raises for the next 4 years under the new collective bargaining agreement. Some bonuses will be reduced or eliminated, and a planned 5% salary increase won't go directly into workers' pockets. Instead, it will be put into a fund to support flexible working hours and reduce work time. Volkswagen expects this agreement to save the company a whopping 15 billion euros annually in the medium term. That's a big number, and it shows the scale of the changes they're making. Production in Dresden will stop completely by the end of 2025. The Osnabrück factory will be sold. 2 out of 4 assembly lines in Wolfsburg will be closed. By 2030, 4,000 more employees will lose their jobs. Volkswagen says this is necessary to stay competitive, especially with the rise of Chinese automakers and the slower-than-expected adoption of electric vehicles in Europe. Since September, Volkswagen has been in talks with unions about these drastic measures. This decision comes after Volkswagen ended its 30-year employment guarantee back in September. Naturally, this sparked massive protests, and workers staged 2 of the company's largest strikes in history. According to German media, the biggest points of contention during the negotiations were the company's cost-cutting targets, factory locations, and job security. Both IG Metall and the Volkswagen Workers' Council have repeatedly said they will not accept factory closures or mass layoffs, and that was a sticking point throughout the discussions. In the end, the 70-hour negotiation marathon led to a deal just before the holiday season. It's a tough one for workers, but it's a compromise that aims to secure Volkswagen's future and adapt to the challenges ahead. What do you think about these changes? Do you think Volkswagen will be able to keep up with the competition? Or is this the beginning of a bigger shift in the automotive industry? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Waving hand.